Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Unboxing. I got a wig from ISEE here. I believe I ordered it on TikTok. Is it? Oh yeah. It's the box. Okay, let's see. It's opening. Ooh.
Please, let me see this. You see this swine? It's fine, divine, sublime, and right on time.
Okay, this is the wig. Let's go through. Well, we should do the wig first. Let's do the wig first. Wig first. It is a half a wig. And it's also. Sorry. It's also Burmese hair. Sometimes I be like, they be telling us anything. Oh, it smells like it was washed and conditioned. This is pretty. You see the ends? So, how I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna probably braid my hair like here and then here and then put it on and show you guys. But this is nice. It feels really, really good. Ooh, this is cute. Okay. Okay. This is nice. It's soft. And it smells like they, right? It smells like they washed it or something, right? It smells good. So it comes with, let me see how many combs. 1, 2, 3, and then it comes with the band, and then you have the drawstring, right? And I got, I believe, how many inches did I get? I believe this is, I want to say 14. I don't like a lot of, I believe this is 14 inches, and it's really soft, and I'm satisfied. About time. Yeah, this is cute. So they gave me this. Now, I never used one of these, and I'm honestly not even sure exactly how to use these, but I believe it's so that your wig doesn't slide back. And then you put it on, and I guess your wig, if this is that or if this is just a headband, I'm not too sure, but I will figure it out. If you know, let me know in my comment section. Let me know. I got this little gift bag with some goodies in here. So let's see what they gave us. Oh, I love a gift and a gift. Okay, one is a bonnet that says princess that I am, right? I love that. This is pretty. Pink is my favorite color. Also, where go, y'all, I don't know what this is for, because I don't wear like wigs. So I'm not really sure exactly how this goes. If you know, let me know in my comment section also. I know. Okay, we got another. They give me all these bands. Okay, this I know is for edges. My daughter probably will use this because I'm not an edge girl. So I know that this, I see the girlies use this after they do their edges. This is really cute too. They hooking you up though. I see here hooking you up. Okay, also they gave me What's this? Oh, hair clips. These are cute. Those are cute. They gave me a wig cap. And this one is the thick wig cap. This one is the HD wig cap. And of course they gave me, what's this? For edges. I don't really do edges. I sometimes will do the side, but that's about it. And probably I will, because yeah. So that's all that was in my bag. Cute little gift bag. The little goodies I like, I will enjoy. My daughter will enjoy also, because she's always in my stuff. And yes. Packaging is cute. I will show you guys when I'm putting a wig on and getting it together. And let's go. Okay, I'm now preparing my hair for the half wig from ISEE wig. From ISEE hair, I mean. So remember, I got the Burmese curl 14 inches.
Me cash hot hot, why you want tax? Me Rolex on the cheap price on top. Me white like sand, crypto fast. Millions, billions,
boss for every boss, done for every gun. Ever militant, so it and a so it and humble like Calan. Tell them no confusion, boss for every boss.
Darky, darky, no cause of darkness. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no. Darkness forever, man. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no.
Straight jeans and me be a ganja. We a real bad man, that's why she love we. She no want the money, she just want we no need reason for fucking girl. We no need people for fucking girl. Cause we a real.
Who can this my dog and survive? Make talk and few Glock no rise. Barrel no empty so we now make no nice. Go suck. Mother telling me we don't polite.